Valerie, what does that mean?
It's called full service.
So somebody is pumping the gas.
Correct. Yes.
Facebook.
No, it's not.
It will be.
It is not. I wish I could zoom. You really do not care about my feelings, like not even a little.
Who pumps gas for other people is what I want to know.
The North does.
That doesn't happen in Florida.
They do.
Where?
All of the.
Good talk. Ew. So, do you tip?
No.
What? Why not?
That's what I've been told by several people.
Tip him.
You.
I only have 20.
Thank you.
And you didn't tip him.
You don't do that. You know how many people you'd be tipping?